HP90, the environmentally friendly solution by Enerblue for the production of hot water up to 90 degrees Celsius. Using CO2 as a refrigerant, it can meet the requirements of many different applications. Among its many benefits, high thermodynamic performances and zero impact on the environment make it the perfect future-proof solution both for new and retrofit buildings. Available in several configurations, HP90 is flexible and easy to implement in any plant. The air-to-water range delivers very high water temperature and high COPs, ensuring considerable savings. The cool recovery option can provide simultaneous production of hot and chilled water, increasing energy efficiency to outstanding levels. HP90 can provide large volumes of hot water, up to 20,000 liters per day and more. The working principle is very simple. The multiple layout tanks ensure stratification. Once the hot water storage is heated up, the unit switches off and the system is ready to go. As the user starts consuming at a high demand, the water tanks empty and the unit switches on again. When the peak demand is over, the tanks get filled back again and the unit switches off. In a typical hotel application, we have two main peak demands per day. One in the morning, when guests wake up and take a shower, and one in the evening, when guests come back to the hotel and get ready for dinner. At night, the hot water storage is refilled, very often taking advantage of favorable tariffs. HP90's energy saving and CO2 emissions reduction are impressive. Effective after sales by remote to provide the customer with ease of mind. HP90. Outstanding performances, high energy saving, and environmentally friendly features in one single solution by Enerblue. Let yourself be inspired by nature.